Hey guys, KaliFab here, and today we are going to be doing, just making sure there's no lipstick on my teeth, and today we are going to be doing my April Monochromatic project pan update. I know I haven't filmed this at all this year, and I think I've only shown the purple month, which was January. So I've been really behind. I've been working a lot at work, especially now with COVID going crazy again. I've been working some 12 and 10-hour shifts, and I come home exhausted every night. So yeah, and I've been really focusing on my weight loss. I do have a weight loss journey Instagram if you guys are interested. I was gonna start filming it, but I'm not quite ready to do that again. So if you guys are interested in my weight loss journey on my Instagram, it is KaliFab _fast_WW_journey. I think I'll leave it down below, but my nails are still drying too also. But if you guys are interested in that, I have started Weight Watchers and it's going pretty well so far. So I'm pretty excited to share that journey on there with you. But I've been focusing on myself and that's where I've been, and I'm totally okay with that because I feel way better than I did even just a week ago. So we are here. Anyways, I am going to go into the month of April and show you all of my picks, and then I will show you anything that I have finished from previous months, which is a couple things that I can eyeball right here. So the first thing for April for the month of white is this Marc Jacobs bronzer. This is the Omega Bronze in 101 Tan or 104 Tantastic, and this is in my most expensive project pan. I just wanted to give myself another reason to use more of this. So my goal for this month is going to be to use this 10 times within this month. I think that's pretty doable. And I do really love this bronzer. I think it is gorgeous. And my goal for the most expensive or that's expensive project pan is 100 uses. So hopefully I can get at least 10 of those in this project. Then since I'm out of my facial moisturizer right now, I figured I would put one in. This is the Ole Henriksen Balance Counterbalance Oil Control Hydrator. My skin has been getting slightly oily since I've been wearing masks so much in the workplace. So yeah, I want to finish this up. It's already up to here. I have not used it previously, but that's just the 0.5 mils that are in here. And I have used up, I think 2 or 3 of these previously in previous years, so I'm ready to use up another one. It's not my favorite, but it'll be good for this time of year. Then I wanted to try this self-tanning product. I'm not sure how I'm gonna feel about it. I'm gonna try it for a little bit on my legs specifically. I don't really wear shorts all that often, but I'm gonna try them on my legs, and if it works, then I'll try it on my chest and stuff. But this is the Tropez Self-Tan Purity Bronzing Water Gel. It's like that clear gel, and I do believe I have another like tiny little sample of this. So if I do like this, and this has the white cap, if I do like this, then I will plan on using the other one as well, but I can't imagine this would last longer than the month, so my goal for this is just to finish it. Then I have a tiny little bit left of this setting spray. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray in the old packaging. This is the old white and purple packaging. They have the black and white and purple packaging now, but there's probably about 5 days worth. I mean, it's probably about halfway full in here. This is just one of those teeny tiny little samples. I think it's, yeah, 0.5 mils and, or no, 0.5 fluid ounces. And yeah, I'm pretty excited to finish this up. You guys know that I love this setting spray, is my absolute favorite, so I'm happy to be using that one up. And then I have a white nail polish. It's actually the nail polish that I painted my nails with just before this, and I already ruined my thumb. So I'm gonna have to fix that after they dry all the way, but nonetheless, I don't paint my nails often, so I feel like we're doing good. But this is from KL Polish. It is the shade Coconut Milk. You guys know that KL Polish is no longer around. Kathleen Lights now does Lights Lacquer. So I do want to start using up these KL Polish nail polishes simply because this brand is not around anymore. I'm sure you could find something very comparable to this. It's like a creamy white color is what it is. It's almost got like a yellowish tan tint to it, but it's very much on the white spectrum. So if you guys are interested in this, I'm sure you could find this basically exact same thing in Lights Lacquer. So that's why I want to keep using these up, because I want to start buying some of her new ones, and I have a million nail polishes that I really need to work on this year, so I'm pretty happy to be using this one. And for my final item, because, well, that's 5 items. So for my 6th item, I have a whole bunch of foil samples that are going to be finishing out the makeup products from 2019. These are all I have left for makeup items, except for one of them is from 2020. So the first one I have is this one from La Mer. This one is from 2020. This is just a foundation that I wanted to try out. It is in the shade Natural 12. So I'm thinking I can get, depending on how full coverage it is, 1 or 2 uses out of that. So that'll be good. And then I have all primers here. I'm trying to finish out all the rest of my little foil primers from 2019. So this one is the Hourglass Mineral Veil Primer. All of these will probably be between 2 and 6 uses, so I really need to use these up. Then I have 2 of the First Aid Beauty Pores Be Gone Matte Primer with Fig Extract, so I figured this would be a good time to use these on the T-zone since I am using one from e.l.f., the Poreless Face Primer. And then this one will be one I have to pair them with so that I can have a hydrating primer to go with it. This is the Too Faced Hangover RX infused with coconut water primer. I love this primer to mix, but by itself, it's just a little lackluster in my opinion. It's not quite hydrating, it's not quite pore filling, it's not quite thick enough, it's very watery, so I do like to pair this one a lot. And then my final one that is one of my staples, one of my absolute favorites in my collection is the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer, and this is just the original one, so not much in there. This will probably be about 3 uses, maybe. That's how much I average getting out of those. So yeah, that's all of my products for the month of April, the month of white. And then next month I'm going to show you all of these empties or any of my previous empties plus any of my new colors from the new month. But I did want to show you a few things from January that I have since finished. So this was actually in my pocket at work. This is the Bath & Body Works Black Cherry Merlot Hand Cream in Shea Butter. This smells so good. It smells like a cherry sangrini or sangria, like the wine juice mix thing. I don't know, it smells so good. I want to eat it or drink it. Everybody loved this scent, so highly recommend, and I would totally buy that scent again. And then I finished, I don't know where it is, but I finished a little makeup sample, the Revlon Stay Matte little foil packet. I finished that. And I finished the Glam Glow face mask. Finished basically everything now from the month of January, which I am very, very happy about because they needed to get finished. So here we are in the month of April. So sorry this is going up on, you know, whatever day I post this on because it's late. Once again, a million things in my life. That's okay, we're back at it. So anyways, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. I hope you all have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in the next one.